You don't want to miss out on the crucial information in this video. Discover the factors that are game changers that you can't ignore, and when the right time might be to seize the opportunity to buy and sell a home. So if you're in the market for a new home, this is a really important topic to understand because it can impact the type of home that you can afford and possibly when you should make a move. So are you feeling maybe a little lost in the world of real estate lingo? I mean, specifically when it comes to buying power. Don't worry because I've got you covered. So first, let's define buying power. It's the total amount of money that you have available each month to pay for your mortgage, which includes your savings for a down payment, your proceeds from selling your current home, and the amount you're qualified to borrow. But how do interest rates affect your buying power? Okay, well, here's the deal. Interest rates represent the percentage that you pay to borrow money from a lender. And I mean, as we all know, they can fluctuate based on multiple factors such as the economy and the lender policies. So when interest rates go up, your buying power goes down, meaning, that you'll be able to afford less of a home for the same amount of money. So, here's where things start to get a little interesting. So instead of focusing on, how much your monthly payment will go up with higher interest rates, let's look at your current budget for a mortgage payment. And by doing this, you can really get a sense of just how powerful interest rates can be when it comes to determining the amount of house that you can afford. Okay, so for example, if you have a monthly budget of $1,900 for a mortgage payment and the interest rate increases just by 1%, you would lose an additional $50,000 in buying power. I mean, this means that you'd be able to afford a home that is $50,000 less than what you could afford before that rate increase. So, it's so much more insightful looking at it this way. Okay, do me a favor. If you're finding any value in this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. Okay, now, that interest rates change. So let's take a look at the interest rates over the last 30 years. In this chart, you'll see that even though rates have gone up, they're still around average for the last several decades. I mean, we've all gotten so used to, practically free money. And, that's making these current rates just seem so high for us. When it comes to the real estate market, interest rates are not the only factor to consider. Home prices also play a significant role in the affordability of a property. So for those waiting for home prices to drop before entering the market, experts predict that a significant drop in prices is unlikely to happen anytime soon. While prices may, level off and appreciate at a slower pace, a small increase in home values is still expected. So this is, an opportunity for potential buyers to take advantage of the current home prices and to get more house for their budget compared to waiting for that price drop that, may never happen. And furthermore, if you're renting, you're delaying a home purchase means paying more in rent and missing out on the opportunity to build equity because no matter what the interest rates are, if you're renting, you're paying 100% interest to your landlord. So, it's worth considering the benefits of acting now and seizing the opportunity to own a home while it's still affordable and possibly within your reach. So while interest rates are a significant factor in the home buying process, they're also unpredictable and can be difficult to plan around. The reality is that interest rates can fluctuate at any moment. Waiting for them to drop to make a purchase may not be the best strategy. Instead, the experts are recommending focusing on what you can control, your financial readiness, and your personal circumstances. Buying a home should be based on your budget, your lifestyle, your future goals, rather than solely on interest rates. And when the time is right for you and your family, take the leap and make your move. And for sellers, it's important to know that there's still a significant pool of buyers out in the current market. And this is allowing you to potentially receive great proceeds for your home. And as we get closer to spring, that buyer pool will continue to grow. So as you can see, it's essential to stay informed in the market and make strategic decisions to ensure that you're maximizing your opportunities and achieving your buying and selling goals in the current market conditions. So you don't know where to start? Well, reach out and I can help guide you through the process and make sure that you're making the best decision for your personal situation. And so don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell to stay up to date with all the happenings. And check out this video about the benefits of homeownership. Well, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.